Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jini roll dosa at home. First, soak 2 cups of rice and 1/2 cup of urad dal for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Then, grind these ingredients with a little water until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. Allow this batter to ferment overnight in a warm place. This step is crucial for a light and airy dosa. Finally, add salt to taste before you begin cooking. Now, let's create the flavorful filling that makes Jini roll dosa so special. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions, capsicum, and carrots in a pan until they soften. Next, add about 1/2 cup of grated paneer, along with a pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup for a delightful tang. Cook this mixture for about 5 minutes, ensuring all the flavors meld together beautifully. With your batter and filling ready, it's time to cook the dosa. Heat a non-stick tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Pour 1 ladleful of batter onto the center and quickly spread it outwards in a circular motion to form a thin, even dosa. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil or melted butter around the edges. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the dosa turns golden brown and crispy on the bottom. The final step is assembling your delicious Jini roll dosa. Once the dosa is cooked, spread a thin layer of butter or ghee over its surface. Then, evenly distribute about 2 tablespoons of your flavorful vegetable filling across 1/2 of the dosa. Generously sprinkle about 1/4 cup of grated cheese over the filling. Carefully roll the dosa tightly from one end to the other. Cut the rolled dosa into 1-inch pieces and serve immediately with chutney.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.